Huazhong University of Science and Technology, an academic palace where the twin inspirations of science and humanity merge in its nearly 70 years history, has encouraged countless HUST students to forge ahead from the campus Yuzhe Mountain to the larger world. Founded in 1952, HUST, now a key comprehensive university in China, is one of the first universities approved under the National Double First Class Initiative, China's Excellence Initiative for higher education institutions. The university is located in the city of Wuhan, a megacity with rich history and picturesque landscape. Also a major traffic hub and high-tech powerhouse in central China. Established as a vibrant and diverse community, HUST infuses the passions and pursuits of nearly 60,000 students and faculty from across the country and around the world, pushing them to grow and prosper in this university in the forest. The university boasts a full range of academic disciplines, comprising 10 major categories that range from its traditional strengths of engineering, medicine, and its fast-growing science departments, to distinctive social science and humanities, such as journalism and philosophy. In recent years, HUST has enhanced its focus on the development of 11 discipline clusters, with an aim to ultimately establish an organic, multidisciplinary ecosystem to spur the frontier exploration of knowledge and innovation. It is an institution marked by original innovation and major scientific breakthroughs. Consider just these 4 national laboratories and research institutes. These are like 4 shining pearls atop the university's beacon. HUST is committed to creating a favorable environment for students to learn independently and happily, cultivating a spirit of pioneering innovation. This favorable atmosphere of innovative entrepreneurship makes it possible for such a large number of our students and scholars to stand out in all walks of life. A few of many examples include Professor Pei Gongzhong, the originator of development economics, Professor Mengqiao Wu, the pioneer of Chinese hepatobiliary surgery, Mr. Alan Zheng, the developer of WeChat, and Miss Na Li, the accomplished tennis player who rose to number 2 in the world of women's tennis. Throughout its extraordinary 70 years, HUST has actively integrated itself into China's economic development, becoming a vital mainstay of the Yangtze River economic belt. The university continues to establish joint research centers and industrial bases in partnership with local governments and industries across China, and promotes technological transfer to business enterprises, as well as the commercialization of research outcomes flowing from the university's laboratories. The Tongji Medical College, founded by a German doctor, Erich Pollun, in 1907, enjoys its reputation as one of the best med schools in China. It's here that Professor Qiu Fezu, the founding father of modern Chinese surgery, saved countless people's lives with his pioneering approach to surgery, including organ transplant procedures. The university maintains 11 well-established affiliated hospitals, which integrate the functions of medical treatment, teaching, and research, serving as major medical diagnosis and treatment centers for central China. Today, through various university partnership programs, HUST has effectively established an extensive and diversified global partnership network, and it remains committed to building platforms for cultural exchange, as well as joint research to tackle major scientific challenges faced by humanity. Currently, nearly 3,600 international students from all over the world are studying at HUST for exchange and degree study. High-quality international education and diversified overseas study programs complement each other, together creating a bridge for students to explore the world. Every year, over 4,000 HUST students travel overseas to pursue internships, exchanges, or degree study. Today, Huazhong University of Science and Technology declares its own aspiration to provide the best quality education to promising young talents, to serve nation as well as to contribute to global development, and ultimately, to create a more brilliant and splendid future for all humankind to flourish.